Greetings punters, Ben here again, and you are looking at Grail Punt 354, which is Jeff Simmons' Amazing Spider-Man 361. Jeff, you should really sort that out and clear up the confusion. All right, here we go. We have 123 places, and we are live. All right, Thursday, August 13th, 2:39 p.m. World clock says 2:39 p.m. Alrighty, let's go get, there's Nick. And Michael at number 1. All right. 123 places. 1, 2, looking for spaces. Anything odd. And 123. All right, looks good. 3 dice roll. 2 and 6 is 8, and 6 is 14. 6 and 6 is 12, and 2, 13 is 14. Here we go, another big one. All right, got our list. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 5, 6. Geez, Tim, I think you've come out on top a couple of times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so far we've randomized 12 times. 2 and 6 is 8, and 6 is 14. So we have 2 to go. Second to last. All right, 13 times. So we're going 14. This one is for the winner. Good luck. All right, there we go. 14 times. And sorry, my mouse scrolls in sections, so I can't do it line by line. All right, and your winner of the Spidey book is Paul Freakley. Oh, new player. Well done. Congrats on that, mate. Get in contact with Jeff to claim your prize. And we are done, and I don't have to look at that freaky Kermit anymore. Alrighty, thanks for playing, gang. Catch you next time.